Yo, what is up, guys? It's been a while. I know, nobody come after me, but I got a fun video for you guys today. I'm really excited to show y'all what's inside this box. To be 100% honest, this box has been sitting in my room at my desk for probably about a month now. I've been holding off because I really wanted to show y'all a proper unboxing video, but also don't come for me in the comments because this is not what I do full-time as a unboxing type of YouTuber. So even then I have the overhead angle. It might look a little trash, so sorry, but you guys know that I'm getting off my butt. I'm gonna start putting out more content for this channel because there's just like this connection that we have as, you know, content creators that form this bond with people that they necessarily don't know in person, but have only met through Instagram, social media, Facebook, YouTube. And I think it's just so fun and organic to really meet people that are into the same passions that you are. So but to get back on topic, guys, today I have this awesome package right here from Premium 64 Scale. Alright guys, so this box has been on my mind. I look at it every day and I'm so excited right now that we actually get to open this, like right here right now. Like I have the razor blade on hand. Ooh, I mean, yeah, razor blades are kind of sketchy, guys. Don't go too high, just like enough to literally slit the tape. That's all you got to do. You don't need this shit to be like 10 inches long like some of these females' fingernails. So anyways, let's get into this, guys. I'm sorry y'all, the computer timed out for a quick sec, but yeah, this user right here reached out to me asking for some photos of my car, and I was curious. I was like, let me check out this person's Instagram. Sounds pretty cool. And I'm definitely into toy models, scale models of any sort, whether that's a car or just like a fucking airplane. So after browsing through this person's content, I was like, man, they built some nice shit. So I was like, hell yeah, I was excited. I was like, dude, whatever you need, just ask away. I'm down. I'll send whatever. So a month goes by. I get a message back talking about, hey, can you send me 2 more photos of the wheels? So at that point I was like, okay, it's getting pretty close. Like, it's getting pretty serious. Let's get this first cut in, y'all. Come on. Ooh, okay, one down. Let's slice open this side right here, y'all. Oh man, the moment, guys, like we're doing this together right now. This is crazy. I'm so excited. Ooh. You know what's also like another exciting thing, because I open a lot of packages, whether that's just like camera gear or things that I buy off Amazon, but like when you get a box to open without any of the tape catching, amazing. Okay. Everybody checking this out right now. It's dope. Let me show y'all the front view. Some beautiful packaging, super thick padded bubble wrap. Ooh, okay. We'll throw that off to the side. Alright, cool. We got some swag. Premium 64 Scale. Let's open it up. Come on. That's what we're here for. Checking out everything. I'm gonna dissect this package. Just throw all this shit off to the side. Stickers. I see the vibes you're going for, man. I see that. Okay. I definitely, I mean, you know, just be careful with the selection of colorways and the styling of your logo. That's all. But appreciate the effort. We'll check out those stickers in a little while. Check out a dope lanyard. Nice quality on this. Okay, a little swivel action. Dope. I don't know if y'all like lanyards, but this one's pretty fly. Good quality for sure. I'll set that off to the side. Fingers crossed everything is still recording. Ooh, okay. Got it taped down inside the box. Appreciate that extra step of safety. one side. Okay. Okay, this is the case right here. I think. Let's check out what's inside this. Oh, also, by the way, guys, the night that I'm actually filming this is when Houston actually got snow. So if y'all aren't too familiar with Houston, Texas, like it's literally hot probably 90% of the season, even when it's in January and February, and we're out just like walking around in shorts. So, ooh, okay, man, this case is nice. I like that. Cool little Allen wrench stuff. Super sick. Let's just like kind of point that towards you guys. Hopefully y'all can see it without too much glare going on the screen. There's that. I'm not sure if you can see his logo underneath. Maybe now. Let's see if that registers in the upstairs, the bird's eye view camera. Man, guys, this is like, I'm like kind of sweating right now. This is dope. Like, I've had a couple people actually ask me to make model replicas of my car, but like to finally actually have the physical form of one, like literally 6 inches from me right now, is just like super dope. And I'm just thankful, and it's just like really heartwarming as well, like from my point of view, because back when I built this like Datsun, I just had no intentions of it even kind of getting to where it is now, as far as recognition and just for me and the car community. So I just really appreciate all the love and the support that you guys just give over the years. And you know, life has gotten very challenging, especially with COVID and things of that nature. I also feel a little bad just because I've been focusing, you know, other parts of my life with my video career. An update on that later on in the unboxing, if you guys want to do a little of that later. But let's continue on. Come on. All right. Oh man, guys, I don't know if I'm ready. Hit that thumbs up. Let me know if you guys are ready. Let's get to 7K subscribers, guys. Like, come on, let's get it. Guys, I can see the wheels. I can see the wheels right now. It's just part of it. I don't know if y'all can really see it. We got some little foam padding right here. That's everything in the box. So let's just go ahead and toss this back in. Throw this off to the side. Let's throw this off to the side. We are nearing the end. This is sick. Okay, cool. I like the packaging, bro. It's creative. For sure. Super creative concept, dude. I like this. It's actually a shipping container. Super cool. I don't know if y'all can see it in the above camera. Hopefully you can. Detail in the crate itself. Dude, like a lot of detail has gone into just this whole unboxing experience from my first time ever opening this stuff. So kudos, man. Definitely, you could just tell it's not his first time doing this. Let's go ahead and slice this piece of tape that there's hiding right there. Let's get that. No need for that. Okay, so I see what's happening. This kind of opens up like that, as y'all can tell. Bam. Take out this piece of foam. Don't need any of this. Guys, this is crazy. Super sick. Sorry, I'm just taking like a little moment to... I'm really hoping you guys can see this right now, because this is awesome. It's so dope. I'm sorry, I don't mean to like block it from you guys, but like this is just sick. Okay, so there is a screw holding it. Let me get a screwdriver and we're about to take this off. Screwdriver in hand. Let's go ahead and take it off. This is crazy. Like, I don't know if y'all can see how dope this is. The detail is just phenomenal right now. I want to take it off just so you guys can actually see the car itself. Let's put this over here. I feel like I need to be wearing gloves, like Not like the creepy Michael Jackson type of gloves, but just like some black gloves. Oh. Alright. This is going off over here. Dude, so sick. Man, there's just like so much detail in the car. It's with the license plate and everything. The wheels spin like with the stickers. Like, this is so sick. I'm gonna see if I can hold this up. Maybe like hold my hand so y'all can see the separation off of my shirt and stuff. I'll probably have to zoom in and like get some badass b-roll of this, like to throw it into the video. I think I should. I think y'all deserve that.
Perfect.
I'm gonna put this here. Hopefully y'all can see a little bit better, kind of a bird's eye view of the car, the quality. Like, my man, you killed this. This is so sick. I appreciate this. The fender flares, like everything, so spot on. Like, it rolls and everything. I mean, come on, it's fucking sick. Even just the details of like the rear diffuser. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but so sick. Like, I'm just at all right now, guys, so I'm just kind of like soaking it all in, so excuse me for not talking as much, but holy shit, this is so sick. So sick. And what's funny too is I actually bought this back on my birthday, January 20th. I bought it, I think the day before, I can't remember exactly, and it was kind of a birthday gift to myself at the same time. And you know, it's super fast shipping too from Indonesia. I was really surprised. I was like, damn, okay. I was expecting it to like be a lot later, you know, longer per se, but man, this is crazy. It's so beautiful. Like, I feel like I should put it in the case, but at that same time, like, I just want to let it sit out on my desk. So sick, dude. Guys, y'all gotta check out this man's work. Like, it is so sick. Cool thing too that I had just noticed is you know, everyone wants theirs to be like a true Japanese right-hand drive, and that's what this one is actually. It's a right-hand drive 280ZX, which is proper. So cool. Like, tail lights, just everything, man. So sick. It's crazy. Like, I appreciate the attention to detail that you put together on this build, bro. So thank you. Seriously, thank you so much. This is amazing. Phenomenal job. You killed that. The wheels look so sick, like that. They're so fat. I love it. Fucking meaty ass fitment for sure, bro. Okay, so yeah, like, my fingerprints are probably gonna be all over this car. Like, I've just been touching it. It's just so sick, guys. Like, I can't believe it. To literally have a full-on custom like build of your own car is so cool. To think, like, back when I bought that car, like, I think it's almost been 6 years ago now. Back when I bought the car like 6 years ago, I had no true intentions of just like getting it to where it is now. Like, I've always been like a person to modify and tweak things and play with them, and especially like Legos and Hot Wheels. Like, I feel like if you weren't into that at a young age, you're probably not gonna get into it later in life. But dude, I'm just sorry, y'all. Like, this is so sick. Like, what the I'm gonna just set it there for a quick second. So, but no, seriously, guys, thank you so much again for watching this video. It really means a lot when y'all stick through this long. If y'all haven't already, subscribe, hit that bell notification for me too, so you guys don't miss these videos, because I am focusing now on getting things back and rolling. I'm gonna just say F it. I'm about to start doing these podcasts too with all the local Houston builders that are building their cars, because at that same time I want to like build the community. And I feel like Houston as of lately just hasn't been the same as far as the car community, you know, with COVID and people feeling so distant and separated. It's like I feel like we all kind of just not lost our way, but we haven't been as like connected and intertwined as I wish we were. So I would love to sit down with anybody in Houston and talk about their build. So let me know, drop a comment for someone that I should chop it up with and just hang out at their place. I mean, I'll literally bring this whole setup, and it's just table, mic, camera. So also guys, this is my new camera that I'm filming this kind of wide angle on right now. So let me know how the quality looks, if you'll notice any sort of, I guess, decent look to it, any sort of decent, you know, quality difference between the previous videos I've done. Let me know. I would appreciate that as well. And finally, Premium 64 scale, thank you so much for building this beautiful replica model. You knocked it out the park. Like, thank you so much. And guys, go follow his page, check him out. If y'all have any needs, hit him up. I'm sure he'll bring your car to life as well. Tell him Bruce sent you, you get that discount. I'm just kidding. I don't know if there's gonna be a discount. I'm just saying, like, mention my name. Nah. Once again, guys, I appreciate y'all for watching, and it's been fun. So I had a great time doing this. If anybody else wants to make some sort of like memorabilia or like, you know, swag for me, like, I'll be more than happy to open it up on the channel and the video. So thank you again, guys. Peace.